Yeah, and that's one thing that, at least it's good to be a little bit late getting this stuff. They have seen some of the bloody mistakes that some of the other people have made, and some of the things that Waikato have tried to do, like sports and all this kind of stuff. I think what they need to do, I think, is to, ko te kōrero e kia rā ne, e wano mea mate te tāta, e whenua he wahine. And well, that seems to, everybody seems to be worrying about their land, getting it back. But I don't think that we should be concentrating on stuff that's gonna do the whole tribe go ahead. Not at some of these flash kind of bloody things that some of these people have been trying. Well, you see what happened to those forests at Taranaki not so long ago, eh? Keep the focus on the whenua, and as I'm saying, there's a few that's made some terrible mistakes, and we have to look at those and make sure we don't go the same way.